They really spoke French to me. So growing up, when we all moved to the United States, that was the language in our house. Interestingly enough, when my uncle, his older brother, who was head of the Diamond Arbitration Board in New York City on 47th Street, came to visit, he visited like every Sunday. And they would speak in a language, and I would swear that that language was German. And I absolutely was positive that they were speaking German because that's what I thought they were speaking. And it was only when I started to take a Yiddish course, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, that I realized they were not speaking German. They were speaking Yiddish. And some of the expressions that they had, that was obviously Yiddish. And my wife, who has heard Yiddish much more than I did, said, of course they were speaking Yiddish. Why would they be speaking German? And so it was really quite a revelation to me. But they you know, amongst themselves, when my father spoke to my mother, he spoke in Yiddish, in French, and sometimes Yiddish. But to his brother, they spoke in Yiddish, because that was the lingua franca in their home.